Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the mechanism. Make sure the door is closed and the latch is withdrawn, then remove the escutcheon screws. Once done, pull away any trim so the handle fasteners are visible. Make sure to place screws in a small container so they won't get lost. If there's a set screw at the base of the handle, loosen it now with the correct-sized screwdriver or hex key. This frees the handle for the next step and reveals the spindle location. You should now remove the handles. Support the exterior side, grasp the handle firmly, and pull straight out to avoid twisting. Once the handle has clearance, locate and remove the retaining clip or split pin with needle nose pliers. This is the main fastener holding the spindle. After the clip is out, slide the spindle gently through the latch assembly. Make sure to observe and remember any washers or spacers and the spindle's orientation so reassembly will. You finish by installing the new or service spindle the same way it came out. Align the square ends, slide it into the latch until the retaining hole is visible, and reinstall the clip. Once secured, reattach handles, tighten the set screw, and operate the lock several times to confirm smooth motion. If the mechanism binds or won't turn, check for a bent spindle, misaligned handle screws, or trapped debris. Make sure screws aren't over-tightened and apply a small amount of lubricant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.